Hey everyone, in this video, I will guide you how to get a motorcycle license in Georgia. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. Georgia offers two options, the Class MP permit for beginners and the Class M license. There is also a Class FB license. So keep that in mind. You must be at least 16 to get a permit and 17 or older to get a license. There are two ways to earn your Class M license. Complete the Georgia Motorcycle Safety course. If you pass, you get a 90-day license test waiver, which you can present at a DDS Customer Service Center, or take the Knowledge and Skill test at the DDS Customer Service Center using your own motorcycle. If you are under 18, you must also complete Joshua's Laws requirement. Check the link for details. Before going to the DDS, complete the online license ID permit form and gather these documents: proof of identity, residency, US citizenship or lawful status, and your social security number. If you are under 18, you will also need your school enrollment book, an ATAP certificate, Joshua's Law course certificate, and a parent or guardian must accompany you. To get your Class M license, schedule your rider skill test at DDS Center. Bring your motorcycle helmet, eye protection, registration, and insurance. The test includes slow speed control and hazard response maneuvers. If you are not ready for a license yet, you can get a Class MP permit by passing a vision and knowledge exam. The permit has restrictions: no riding with passengers, no riding on limited access roadways, riding only during daylight hours, and you must wear a DOT approved helmet and a safety gear. For more details on the different license classes and restrictions, visit the Georgia DDS website. That said,